My work in cybernetics involves leveraging creativity and thinking about how creative human practice can inform future technological practice, and then how that can inform the link between human and machine. So this mainly takes place through robotics and music. The main question that all my work really aims to address is how can creativity improve technology and AI, and how can creativity improve how we interact with technology and AI. So the video playing behind me is called Shimon Sings. I created a lyric and song generator for it, but the really important part of the project was thinking how the robot can take the form of a collaborator and not replacing a human, but instead using AI and deep learning for augmenting and inspiring the humans in the group. So improving the experience for humans is really at the center of my work in cybernetics. This relates to another project where Shimon was turned into a rapper. This was a technically complicated project with lots of elements of audio and language processing and generation, but I really again tried to address this from a human-first perspective and understand the relationship between human and robot. I think there can be a tendency to reduce lots of generative tasks like this to you take in data, you choose a deep learning model and you optimize, but by able to really understand and be respectful of the domain and not just steal a superficial level of creativity. So I think this approach is really fruitful for a technology perspective. It led to a new way to embed text based on hip-hop dialect, but also created something that Dash really wanted to interact with. Dash the rapper here, and he was really keen to come in and interact with the technology. So both Shimon the rapper and Shimmy, shown behind me, really embrace a key idea in my cybernetic work, which is the idea of mechanomorphic design, where you try and let the robot talk and act in a way that suits its capability, while letting the human interact and talk like a human. So I think there's lots of powerful lessons from musical interaction that can be used in cybernetics. In the future, I'm very interested in continuing my work in the space between cybernetics and creativity, and then collaborating with a diverse range of people to create new perspectives and better frameworks for this relationship between human and machine, and understanding how creativity can help that relationship.